Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
This class is intended for beginner level, so we are going to be covering the main fundamental step, which is called basic step.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work right away. Alright, so we are going to start up with the basic step like we were mentioning. So from here you will see that most of the figures in Argentine Tango are going to born from here. So we have first step is called Salida, is to the side, number 1. Then we have straight in line, walking 1. 2 steps, leader is a little more on this side on the left. For both, she's crossing and we are putting feet together. We both change body weight, tuck. I'm ready to go with the left, she's ready to go with the right, and front, side together. That last one, front, side together, is called resolution. And we're going to reset, change body weight first, and then we're going to reset to take a small step to start all over again. Yeah, that reset, it is going to be number 8. So we have 7, count of 7, and then a reset count of 8.
Let's rotate so they can see the work on this side. So we get together, we embrace the left side for followers and right side for the leaders, and then we do side step 1. Collect first to keep walking, going to the crusada, cross, change body weight, get ready for resolution. Back, side, change body weight, feet together, and one more step to be able to restart and go to the next figure or next salida.
Yes, let us do one more time from here.
So one more time, let's count the step. So we do side 1, collect 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, and this side means we are starting already the next figure.
Can be same step, basic step, or any other step. I would like to mention here, side step, when we take this side step, please notice that the leader is walking on different track than her. She has her own track, and we have our own track, ready to land into a cruzada, cross. 1, 2, this way she's comfortable to land into the cruzada or cross in English. We lift a little bit for her to change body weight, and then lower to go first with the leg front, side, feet together, change. That's it. That's the basic step. We are adding a little reset point to start all over again from number 1.
Something important for the followers, people who follows, remember to keep the tempo even in the cruzada. Let me show you this point. So we are doing everything on the beat. So we are not syncopating in this case. So we have 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more time to start all over again. So don't anticipate, it's very common to see 3 and so you crossing on the syncopation. So don't rush that moment.
We would like to mention before we continue and before we show you with the real timing and you follow us, of course, we have our own line of tango clothes. For the leaders, it's called Tango Dapper. We have Argentine Tango pants, it's especially authentic from Argentina, and we have a whole suit designed for dancers. And you can find all the information on our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
For the followers, we have tango skirts, tango esplendida. They have a move in the back and they have a slit on the right side. The fabric is very stretchy and soft, and I have different colors.
Again, the website is called miriamleonardotango.com. Now, back to the class, and we are going to show you the timing.
Timing for the basic step, remember to keep the close embrace. Right side is a little more open, and we go. And 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. One more time to the side.
Now follow us, please. We are going to rotate every time a little bit faster. You can try this in close embrace, which is a little bit harder if you are just starting. If you don't feel comfortable, you can release a little bit embrace with a little bit of distance. So we have and 1 and 2 and 3 cruzada, 4, 5, 6 together, 7, 8 and 1 to start all over again.